Hey there! If you're new to the internet or you're helping someone who is, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to safely search for information online, step by step. First up, let's talk about search engines. Google Bing, like a giant library. Open your internet browser. Chrome Safari, type google.com in the address bar. You'll see a big search box in the middle of the page. Now, type what you're looking for. Best soup recipes, nearest pharmacy, press enter. You'll see a list of results. Not every website is safe or trustworthy. Look for well-known sites, .gov.org, popular names you recognize. Check for a padlock next to the web address. That means the site is secure. Never share personal details like your address bank info unless the site is official. If you feel stuck, ask a family member or a friend for help. And don't be afraid to double-check information. Sometimes things online aren't always true. The internet is great to learn, connect, and have fun. With these steps, you'll be searching safely and confidently in no time. Thanks for joining me, and happy browsing.